Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F5, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by just simply swiping down on our right screen of this, on the right side of our screen. The left side, as you can see, gives us notifications. So once you see your toggles, on one of the pages, we will see our screen recorder toggle. For me, it is on the second page, right at the top. Now, this is the default locations of the toggles, so hopefully you can find your toggle in the same exact place. Once you see it, you can either hold it, which will take you quickly to the settings, and from here you can customize how it will actually record. So you have things like resolution, bit rates, and the frame rates. Choose them to fit your exact needs, and from there, find the toggle, simply tap on it. It gives you this overlay at the bottom with the folder, which will take us to a folder full of screen recordings, settings, which I already accessed by holding the toggle, close option, and obviously the record one, which is what I'll press right now. Now from there, once you're done, you can interact with the overlay. Click the square to stop it, and also you can close this. And as you can see, it automatically saves the screen recording. You can find it in your Photos application or gallery, as Xiaomi has named it. And you can see it under Photos as the newest thing, assuming you have just captured it, or under Albums, under Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Now here you will need to select Screen Recording tab, and as you can see, there is my screen recording. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.